abusia ma kwa ban famra otumfo over TV Plus abusia ene team legal wife fo kan sembi na omo nsema omo ka no se maame Akosua Serwaa na afensonso na kuma eye maame Akosua Bempomaa Akosua fo mienu komotamabum ene enye yise omo mienu ade sembi aba betudwa omo nsema omo ka enina no eye nkyeremu omo de fa eye loan that the lumba maame Akosua Serwaa ekokogye ewo emle bi atwam wogya mani na ene eno mo de ba besisi eye den ya enam so amoma ye eye sebi radio station DN radio ewo mu no ene omo de nkyeremu aba timlega wife fo enam so break sa news ni pa enkoma that the lumba ne Akosua Serwaa na yele ediye ansa na ode eye ne dimu ekwa akwaji loan no ene ode ni na ba betudwa ama timlega wife fo nsemu abusia yesi lumba egi sika no ewieye na afensonso sika di tua no ekosoa no agesa se oba Ghana no abehwe no ho yade obedru Ghana the next call aheba ye ne se mintimi emwa Akosua Serwaa emani ntia eye bosiana wodi ne din ekokogye ye no se miura ede asem na wo kan wo se obeka beka ablanti that lumba said that ontimi no ana legal wife for chirimu sani omo chire nsemu na abusia enya asam ketwa me pesa o kam kwagye nchirimu no ebesisi e
ba cho be ti request sisi ya why priest woni Aisha ne Rakia mo request na mumra okay sister
omo ba omo fan kokwa me bo ade so why I said in nan ko obo ade so why yes lo omo
priest me sro mo ba mo fan kokwa me obo ade so
why obo ade obi was me kan ko fan ko obo ade
Queen no na drop on me
me catch you say me see me say mo ma mo temper nko for momra
oh Debbie Queen me no me bufu you but ade ba ko was a Queen yes and go Rakia on Facebook. No, I'm not fighting. I'm just explaining, please.
No, be explain.
Chaso. Why? Minya no chaso. Why?
Power show. Let me aka bibiki to ebi.
You back that fast?
Miss Serwaa met me aka sake to ebi.
Thank you.
Akosua Serwaa na semi akoye huhu ni hunemu. Ena yen ayedi n'echi no. Se yamfa akomapa ne odokro anta na echia in fact akodi omo ko echire edi tie Akosua no anu odin enti ye na ye di na chi no yenso ye di mpaibo na eta maame na chi enti se ebasa na omo so mo na mo no confusion omo buatu omo obi biara odi Akosua chi biara omo di hunhum asem no akodi omo di kutia omo mutai Akosua Serwaa chi ni aye se confusion de betu ye ntem enti no se ya mayeni anda ho adiki tuwe bi ebetini ase ye bibia ye ntaji ye de pese ye de tanechi enti mo meye nyina ye mfodo akomakro nyasam kituwe bi ni ye nyina ye de otan ni afi yakoye mu aye di nechi ni emu yakofo otan atoto ye ntem enti ye mfodo ni ye fantai nechi because mama na nkasa na oyodo masem kakra no
yeah that's it and yeah emba de ohun ye nyina ye emba me krampo ema oye menua ba me dono papa no krampo yeah still we have disagreements but yeah have we should not hold any grudges me pamacho yeah with women there you never gonna agree 100%. Rake Krampo was so how onim say Rake do pa and you know that you don't take a little disagreement to heart. You are one of us. But the reason why Queen Ma Munina Aisha Prissy Rake called down, then what she's basically not picking any side. What she's saying is the topic should end and Munko Kamo Dana Monsamba Mombraso because of the way the way it was traveling in Ompe. And now yes, Dano.
Near fan call board, yes, so.
Oh, young family, or what they come for Johanna, or what they want me no.
May say or say.
No, on your BI on your important or share a thing.
No, Juma, meba, Mama Nunsi me pacho. A man 40 no, or say. And Akosua Serwaa ene de krata ma come on Lumba. Ne Lumba enya krata wo edrofie. Oh, this some of these almost too good from people. A lot of people listen to them. It's a hard mono. We can debunk it a bit. What did the make no? Who the you might say?
Exactly.
Onye obio, but people listen to him. You see, and it's not true.
People say, let's give it to him. They say, "Mom, we name how to give it to him." No, give it to him.
Or say Lumba enya na krata we drofie. Eti omo nim ni ade no. Then they also come and bash him. It's very important.
He the same guy now. Nigga who you somewhere very fast, you know.
Isn't
he the same guy? Just confirm. It's the same guy that his wife died and he just married really quickly.
He has been marrying here, but he has been just giving birth to a lot of people. I don't even know his status.
Okay, maybe it's the wrong one. Okay, mo nim ye no mo nye me nim ye me ntimi pond me di obi atema enye
me asa ni ade oh dem obi de enye no correct asema wo kan enye no correct ma me Akosua Serwaa na de krata ma
listen, let me make something clear. It's not true. This guy has, the more he does it, he loses credibility. The credibility is that team legal wife Minka Sambinchiremo, you have the power to destroy somebody's businesses, somebody's profession. So when somebody lies about things like this and they get themselves involved in order to damage Akosua Serwaa, use it to your advantage. What do I mean by that? Fight it. That is, we are in active war at the moment. In active war to try and fight for Ghana, for the morals of Ghana, to try and ensure that our future is secure. This is not game. When people like this come out to intentionally damage the cause, the movement, you have to damage anything that is important to him, whether it's his marriage, whether it's his business. If you find out that he's got loads of side chick having kids all around, do your due diligence, find the evidence, bring it out, damage him.
So he's a comedian and he advertises on food, fufu. He only
whatever he's a sponsor for, boycott it. If he gets sponsorship for something, boycott it. No business is going to attach themselves with a degrading individual, imbecile like him. No company. Ghana for him how to fight war. He's imbecile. He's an idiot. He has no morals. If a man like that believes in this attacking a widow, you can't do business with him. You can't support him in any way. He's disgusting. When I was young, my favorite cuss word when I was younger is he's a piece of shit. So you have to remove yourself from it. Remove yourself from garbage. So all I will say is a man like that who intentionally lie to harm another human being that has done nothing to him. This story is very black and white. A woman met a man in 1985 when he was nobody, had nothing. This is not a story that we are telling anybody. This is a story that was told by Daddy Lumba himself. Yeah. So he met him. He had nothing. Nobody wanted him. He was nobody. And the woman said, "Media man, I will sponsor you, I will love you, and I will make you what you are." She did not beg Daddy Lumba to marry her. Daddy Lumba and the family broker said, marry another girl. On one of said, that was in 1991, after knowing the woman for 6 years. Okay? And then Daddy Lumba to turn his ass, in the 90s. In the 90s. Or to turn his ass, or seen dino 90s. Daddy Lumba back Ghana so in the 2010, 2011, 2012, 13. So you telling me Daddy Lumba, yes, superstar, international musician. At that time, no Ghana should use critical thinking. It's basic. And Daddy Lumba decided 2004. So be worry in ordinance. He had already married this woman traditionally. No. He had already married this woman in spirit. Meaning spiritually. He had married her. And then he just decided I must marry her again through ordinance. Because what he said to her is, nobody, no human being should ever be able to take you away from me. He knew himself, say, but he decided to lock himself up with this woman. And this woman alone. Now that foolish man, the same time as this guy, when Daddy Lumba was coming to Ghana in 2011, 2012, how much money did Daddy Lumba take on remortgage, on separate loan? And ask the question, Daddy Lumba, it's a court papers what Daddy Lumba told the woman, because of my surgery and my back, I can't help you pay. This is the evidence from Daddy Lumba's own sister. I can't mean to pay the mortgage or the loan I've taken out to promote my album. Someone like that will stand in public arena and discuss full lie. It's only Ghana you cannot take the network that someone is standing on and sue them. This was UK, you would sue the network for misinformation, for lying. Because the evidence is there. It's even court records. Now, woman, no, I do loan to promote your music. You want to do your surgery in Ghana. Do Honsu, yeah, I was saying, they want to mean Trebi. Because they will see Kana, so the Trebi, no, they war one after the other. Hey, listen, Odoboni and Daddy Lumba became thingy together, no, around 2012, 2011, they started to have. Look, go and find Odoboni. No, Priscilla of Foris, the birth certificate of her first son, and determine what Daddy Lumba really, what Odoboni actually brought to Daddy Lumba. What he brought to Daddy Lumba's life is a burden. Let me tell you that this woman had babies every other year, every 2 years. Because she had 7. No, more free more. Every 2 years, and do you know how much money that goes into raising children, taking them to school, buying them clothes? That's what Daddy Lumba was never able to truly be Daddy Lumba after. And then they were living off the loan and hard work of Marcus Serwaa, when she should be taking the money and taking it to Marcus Serwaa so she can pay off the loan and the remortgage that he made him take to promote his album. No, he was too busy trying to have kids over and over again with Priscilla. That's why at this story, when you listen to it, when that girl is in court pretending that she was with Daddy Lumba, this girl is claiming that she was with Daddy Lumba when Marcus Serwaa, Daddy Lumba's last child was under 1 year old. That's when Daddy Lumba started to have, according to her, an affair with her. That's her evidence. And how old was this person when she alleged Daddy Lumba was having an affair with her? Ask yourself that question. How can a human being with any integrity, any respect, any morals sit there and defend that an undefendable thing? She just had a baby. Now, dear, wait, the baby is not even 1 year old. Now, Ghana. Oh, and then you, this girl, have the audacity. God will punish you. You have the audacity to stand there after you bought pain to another woman. You try to build a family on the pains, on the distress of another woman, and that is the reason why you will never find peace, and we will never leave you alone. You know what? Team Legal wives and husbands will be your worst enemies. We will be we will be your nightmare. You will never find peace as long as you live, because Team Legal wife and husband will never let you live down the damage you have created. When you cause that woman, the tears, when you look at Marcus Serwaa's eyes, when you look at her eyes, look at the rest of her skin, how smooth and beautiful it is, and look at her eyes.
Jumana.
Like a teary eyes, watery eyes all the time.
Jumana, mami chipu we ne continue. She say what can be said as a nursing ma'am, no. Oh, mumu take a union for educate people, the public, you know. As a nursing ma'am, no. That Lumba Ejano, he left her. This is what you are saying. And they say Ghana also say she left him. So how do you
breastfeed?
Let me make something clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Plenty Mpacho Koso. Yeah. Oh, and so network in Yana.
Mr. Wakati and
Jumana, is it your network?
Yeah. Because and throw and the dinner may person me the air in say who left who? Who left who?
Okay, let me Jumana is not ready. Let me make it clear here. It's not Ma'am Akosua Serwaa who left her husband. It's her husband who left her wife, rather. Ono bema ene jani matrimonial home. Ojani ne urine ne ma. Ewo honom. Ewo Germany abonten so.
Start. It's a Ghana. You won't understand.
Nyami be chie ni paka o. Nyami be chie ni paka. Edi cham tro di atuma no sama me no ene jani matrimonial eja bema.
Me make a point where Jumana ka sembi. Say him legal wife more power. Say more destroy be business. Destroy sa power no. Politicians be fire. But nyankopon nyansa mu no. Politicians need you soon for good purpose of the people. Internet team legal adabi make a platform used to say team legal wife be replace a glow. Woman a glow. Obi was obekaya.
Yeah.
Women's are glow no. Purpose na nke wo say ye na ye no na ye na akoye ye ni adore ni wedding no ni anyame yusu mu de maye na mo amohwe nanse an ye raise sika de akogboa your friend is saying obi wa aware sam ye we ye ko rescue no oh but mami kura for sibai wu ye raise sika nkoma ne ba ne yere that's a work of the way nyankopon sa adwuma no Team legal wife no mamu ye lo one family excuse me to say disagreements near the idea na bibem the papa mum blushing off
name they say a plural wives
wives no mum blushing off name twamunko because team legal wives no ebeye adwuma bi mama we the any just the way foundation yeah, idea about being legal wives and men. Obi asabi be me bi asabi o chimupo ni chimupo ye papa na adwene pa woni timu no. Obeba bedwene ebi na mu de be fight so ye de be so many wives and answer awaresam nko a enioma bebre wo ebetimi aboa fight
injustice.
Yes, injustice no money ade bebre. Ena obi wache no yekoboa no ni ade ye nyame adwuma enti mo ma sabe ye ma bonsam hu ade ni ba bia ekọ enti ye be planning so many things but e ba mesre especially leaders no yem blushing off na ye move on forward na nyankopon fa ye nye de opeso de akatua wo so saa me yi kakra de akoboa why na sabe obi asika ehun adweno saa. But you guys are doing it from your hearts. Na ka say nyame anka wakoma obeye. Nyame na ka wakoma na moye. Enti sa we replace women's aglow no for a good purpose. Enti mama yenye ampa so said you okay ebeye powerful than politicians. Say ya selfishness bi amebemu entokwasem bi ni nsem bi amebemu a politicians na nkasa kura no. So omo person owini power I guess obesa that in one between mo de making mon fan sem be nhwe
clear
one obesa dem make statement be a that in one between kakra because onim say mo de mo tumu a obetimi ayeden awini enti mesre team legal wives and husbands no mo stand firm mo man from aboni biara metwi mfamu nyankopon ensa tayechire de beye adwuma papa de ama future generation de fight good cause I fight politicians nipa ne ye rough and adwuma begu because you guys will go after nipa ne adwuma akwaya mo kana semi say no say muni ni picture muntumi de to ho me say me ni ni picture ba say de ka say fufuo na odi no Bema adidi mo start say ni picture da mo bia nhwe ni video mo bia bia obekwa advertise bia mo bia nkodidi wo na mo start yes apa people will know say hey asem we me de mane kotuma anhwe be say madwuma obejai mpacho won hu dia
me matie enti mpacho mo nko find the pictures no find the business no any sponsorship or bia mo fan kan kire yen make sure say obi anim what business
ni boy kita no ene ni ya wo ye ebi ni to say the enura
you know what, we don't ask you to join, we just don't ask you
won't join there fine but don't say anything bad about the yeah
don't say anything negative, that's what it is. If we don't need you to join or to support, just keep your mouth out of this is a very important thing for us.
Yen copy video no ni picture ni yen ka asem o kan ye no ne yen fan hu no so say we no oni adwene papa nti yen wose nipa kra be advertise wo ho mun didi wo ho mun fa no wo mun say ye go after them sana they will stop mama de ani ye so powerful many pensuro mo say the obofo ene ono ama ne nsa so na sori dem mu esu otu che de ayeden e de ama mo no ye very good me say when na yaketu abi o women's aglow no na nka de wo say ye na buo nipa anya sa ebe ye ene adore ne wedding ko mudie yi me ye keko ebe
we don't have time for that. We're here to take care take care of people.
Ebe do mri bi lawyers bi kura de wo ba betwitwi mu abeje se bibi ba wo magina mu se ye ko fight de amamu ama nipa na ma na ma jeje kakra de ama nipa no ebe create so many help for nyanka ni we obi kura wa bia ne family ne papa ne maame awu abusuafo ade ajapade obetumi de abetum ani mo bobo na chi ambo se na politicians asori wom enti mesremo and from aboni bebre be bo se betwi afakuo no so se de be ya enyina emma the purpose ananya mitimu po emmemu but mesremo ma yenyina fam na de bebe bia no yem blush no of ya quiet say sebe once one koto na egu bucket mu a wo dos we ka we na we aka we but wo mu emunu entofom ye bekeka ye ho ye nipa ye danya obi betia no yonko na nso ye bekeka ye ho but eba ye nuanom ye blushing off na ye move forward na nyankopon purpose no embremu damase
that's na wakasa papa wakasa fine.
Yeah. Jumana, when me see from Kakrawai, I don't say me tama me de danti me damase.
Tender fire. Pacho follow page in why.
Okay.
Tender fire.
Okay. Yo, Queen. Anyway, they made that kakranti me damase. Why? Na nyame nshira mon so pa.
Tender fire. Pacho follow page in why.
Queen, good night.
Good night, Global. Okay, tender fire. Actually, na yakasa.
Queen, where the quick mpacho otin US time you're saying.
Okay, hey.
Listen, 45 minutes time, no, I thought you. Just 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Okay, yeah. Till 2 p.m.
Okay, maybe so na my back at you.
I think said Jumana can 2. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you. So be a home ye busianfo.
Ayeho yo yenya.
Pacho yami adumo mami.
Ede nyame ase enye be hia me da ase.
Say bye bye.
Bena Pacho request when me pick you na nyi.
Time.
That is what I'm say I'm dey channel na mama wa say. So there be am change me dey to I mean to
na say wa me dofo request bi why.
Am I making announcement?
Mama me Pacho na moderators na check it we dey Pacho me why.
About your time, best make us a while.
It's a mirror, and then say, ain't check. Emreno, I swear, no. Mrs. Akosua Serwaa for su. Couldn't deal in a quaso eba. Eh, now, there's a one who, why now, whom so be a call the other side, no. I emotional as suda. A man is soon, and cry soon, and my is soon. Eh, natures are then so obvious. Into whoever, why am I didn't balance here, no. Or down now. Oda ona empo the main subject no kra no I nam no so a ade ne bae no oda ona o she's not fine she yes wakobokro no kra na enye ono ani aje na wa wonim se wabokro no na aje oni ade okofi a nipa kra no obeka say ade ne na me ye obeka in the instant crown fanche no she's not fine. Girl, no when you're fine. Even that video, she's not fine. Or down na.
Or say no, mommy, men or say on one or my silver now or running a radio station, via radio station no. No, my dear, silver radio station no. Say, or you're not dear, or you're fine, pana landlady. Landlady, landlady name no, it's in pa. Enti mama mo ngasa onya fine o so you fine enti mo mbo mpaye te mama onya fine so you fine mo mbo mpaye te mama onya fine
mpaye mobo wona ho amobo woni ma no odi nachi o kasa na no ko na no keke no de ka deep within herself no she's not or sre no she just or no na sre no keke or sre no oh enti no en eye mre enche Yesi chana bechen so enka hoda but enche sa so no de hontena ho emre ne beso
actions na owi amuchiche sika no so no I think say they are investigating him you know definitely ya beje free nsam ya mfa maneda ti abasa no
there be sensitive legal wise mama ho agana de emunim ebeye boachi bidin
oh dabi mahama I think say otie your voice banka kranka maybe
na no entia so ni say ya ebedu no ho some say yen twa so obetu a ti we a me ti we e twa so ko di yi kwa ku fene se oba na mieni mu kwenu recruitment job na wa fan kra no wa recruit ye ba o because aduma bra ye no and what in fi dey ku no
abina wo ye dangerous girl misro no mpo
fi dey ni se ku po che wo ka
abina ya di o hey abina ya di bro so
adia abina ye no media we so
I was saying that this Japan and map and
because I'm not blocking my debit card and you have me. Come tiger to us. Into
any busan paper never fashion man, never send this command.
Mate.
Why?
Again,
I wouldn't say a game here.
Maba, me be kwa sorry me be jam kwa sorry me ba maba.
Ja sorry ko face kame ko so for dako. E ko go to kwa so ko be yo.
Me Bobby ma ye nyina hwe. Oba se me Bobby ma no se. Gift of dream.
Na me why no na to be we ko konseni ba pa na me twa ka obi a what na me how is Gloria and her sister Akua hey
Otin u game na obo no oni sa girl kokko bi na so ye lawyer wo Norway no na ekobo
that girl bi o de ko na wo mu no ba o be mo you say for the alligator
oh ye be ma
why be ma and why ho ba nti we give for limit some mo wa e mu de mo let's be before mo TikTok lawyer come more
better.
Yabaya.
See one time lawyer ye wo abuna platform no so na abeta go ma fe na was starting reporting tina abuna se a obi report me mo power type
people about ho oti please do know that let's make us so bachon
who said TikTok lawyer where they
Pacho.
Wakwan anazo oba.
Wakaya wo. Ayi wakaya wo.
Share. Frida dear, ya bubuno, yeah, Frida, Radia.
I also want the kind of TikTok lawyer.
What do you want to put?
Okay,
Then you know, or cobra, and two
okay.
Nibufua. Oh no, Nibufua. No, I do jam, but watching our best.
Abranje baba bla bedi matempe.
E no better angwa. Me o timi mtu wele ma tuma da pan. E tom kan kan yo de mai. Na timi o. E bi o cha.
Me kaya ma enkunimdie ba ayo no na meso esi so.
O timi dia tem wanwa. E fi de na koya e gan
mo kan jani se obeti wa se atendidi a wodi adi ni nyina aboaboa no adankunimdie beba ndi obedi wa.
No be no amanko yi na. Amanko UTV.
Na ye na ma ekense obomdua donyame.
Amanko UTV na.
Obadi e twen na ye ninkunimu nwie. Yes, say the way o see teasy Frida no kra na ye manika keke.
Oh, I don't know.
Why boy no?
What if Frida kwa na?
Eh o teasy no.
So Frida ene.
Say abna hit no dey man na ye ne da ya pa ne videos ni bi hwe. Hwe.
Ya me da ina odi na tam dan ina odi na tam. So on ne ye na beta na kwa ye baako. Yeah, oso onu abeta o onu ni abeta e ba ko omudi dan natam so dan ne kwasiafo oyima lumba ye kwasiafo omo yo be yi mu na omu na firi mu
me pesa abna so si ohima lumba so so mame
Dabi say nyenwie Frida ne head office Frida ne ha what's that ko so butu mi legal wife apra wo so betu amu wo so mi mu na wo so ai ko Kristo mu na wo so ya no wote ne ye wo so na wo so ya pray dia. This moment ba wura dan mu.
Obia so ntimi nyesada.
Yeah. Dem be some count ase.
Matthias say money the root grass no.
Me project crap. Na so amati wo na ha na ye chopom na ye mbra dia ne mutima wura mu.
Nyame se kopa choma Frida fi. Mo de ye ne de.
O se kra de my friend evangelist bi mo. Say ma Monica so. Hey.
Kopa choma Frida fi. Madam na yesa. E ma say somebody chele.
Wutu bo betu wa ya ka nyina da fom.
No ba de obede abo ba obade e
buto
Matthias ya pa Matthias
ya so oda ya no ena kwa Kristo mu ene yenia no mama kana heso ya mo no ni poncho paro mu da kom o mutimi sare dia ene oboa
na wagu party
team legal wife selection ne die anu odin
o his royal
this one to media what we am moya dia for
one timi
his royal ne die me per box bi na me de na chem na me de salute so
first no ni otin oni otin ne me ye call platform so na say omo ya konka his royal pena ya fro otin okay
ni ya ko choma
ya ko chomo san na fe ye de from na ye de na ba
so mo twini ya pre
ya ko dodo
ya ko ne nyame na de nkwa che da so ti ase
papa one time bi obasin me so daya ye se me katamani na me hu toilet Obas o ka sa asem we amekai ena obi ka say ye nkunim dia ze ben na wo san ka say na wo hu white anche na omudi ase ne bu ayen a ma Bempomaa so de ne ye di bi ma omo san fro omo no amesi
na on dia enemy of progress for baba jama
ya bre
wo sna popo chia de ko baba jama baba jama dia so ba ma pam no a on ne wo ruli Ghana o ku kan ni ma se kan na military certificate be go ni mi go sia
papa on ne fati chese na pai kra
section back box
kwasi abano
na ni bibi nkofo no so nyame se ye nkomo ama yakoma ye ya pen
na be say ya ye de me say ade no ye say writing na ma me no na mu o si de no mu writing
so se da
omo se so ye
baba jama na dum fo eti na papa yi a won kan kore jama kromfo
ni person ni person
na obi o timi gina bonte ka se yema odwan aka se hu odwan aka se onya na ntwie die
onya na ntwie
no betima ka no kre
onya se ni totia eni si pa mu na ewuli sia o se ni totia kwa ye na se that means ono ni mi no no mo ye o ka se ni totia secretary no Ono ne na assistant. Oh, you dey this before. About my way. Ano ne na fu e boss sa a checheri.
Oh, you know me Ghana.
Baba jama onye Ghana. So papa.
Baba jama so baba jama oye Burkina ni.
Where go to call ni? Onye Ghana ni.
Go to call ni. Yeah. To call for. Omo ya yen for.
Omo from Togo North.
Omo from Burkina and Togo.
Togo North.
Togo North. To call ni. When you Ghana boss na hamsa apra. Na kan yo chan kan o man. Baba jama. Omo di ma me boni eh.
Omo di ma me ne boni o.
Na mo na ke say. Aprike wa babere wa muno. Babere wa muno.
Oye hu je kra.
Babere wa muno. Awu akra no bit ba wa kodi ni ho. Asa ko bi adi e japade e. Mumu so.
Me dey abodansem na oye no so go nya me na ho abodan.
Etokwai. Piwure mana. So for Roger, from the platform so no etokwa na wo gun emu odi o.
Ampa me kai pa na me menda.
But I was our for meeting. Legal wife.
What's more?
No.
And then yes, and Yamidio.
Bet you am I, you go through a day. I could man left go change the document for the tour. Ah, Roger, no, I suffer for some bull you I should say, what? I did
yes, it's illegal.
And yes, I'm coming in the dinner. And yes, I'm coming in the dinner. Could you? Yes, some coming in the dinner.
Now go away.
I was never could you want.
There you
Me.
Na hukaga wai, hukaga.
Aga
na JGM JGM.
JGM wasa ni diana.
JGM there be go school be na oye exams.
Na love we.
O ti mi ntro o be feel.
Ah, you so delete TikTok no. TikTok no dey say go wa ni o.
But obasi abade. Okay, yeah, then you ase.
TikTok radio who here bibi no and delete a wontimi nyo. E so dey too.
I say. You find the witness come. Which other comes? No, sir. And you might be in video.
E so dey o.
E fe ni go aware e go fo bra wa dey go sa dey.
Unim say.
E me dia you
dey depression. And I would talk I'm out to walk around you.
Baby.
Oh, that cry now you say bibi twaguja.
Papa. And I dear children, just say,
Metimita story,
no. Yeah. Now, me bana will show life with you. And
my eating was my and my and Mazabet anymore.
Why are you?
A bedu tell me wrong. Not intimate where you know if you and order.
Wow.
Me order.
Me de da ye buya asem no na ye bo hire ye ne gi yo mo sanfra ye no emisu ye da no me frɛ of man kwa adwuma me kunu se ai me sun ye me kunu se
ameba
che na me hu so dobro ni adwudwu na nim ni na chese me chese me hu ne picture pen na ma chese me nhwe kora
Okay, that time na calling someone kwa mu jina mu no.
Sada ni me die ni o.
Obetu asamale. Samale obetu.
Na calling someone kwa oi.
Eh, am for be jini penny o.
Oni the night witch na juju na no. Ni ti no didi na temu no.
Me die omo edika ko frefre ahemfu bi se omo ne me nkasa sada mi ntwa so. Debbie, because injustice. And company who is a many bush in the dear bush penny can know a no other than me a chinching as my make it. So what you think? It's not almost ever on my dream, mamma, and I'm a boy score 2 when you are fireman.
Once I know bush penny baby damage control. And no, send rich, yeah.
Oh no, no, papa, wait.
By day.
Ne bawa damage control.
Mente.
As for bet in sim. And I'm cutty. Yes, bawa na baby.
Bono. And then I don't want to just some.
Ah. Kobe Confused what offer bloggers in any. And all children sim.
Confused what you review. It's a full that
confused one a fan of.
Papa, we didn't have a trianica.
I'm a trendy HM. Hey,
I'm a Denver.
Una kai.
In fact, one day his royal one diamante Jumao.
Jack, more boy, Juma, more boy.
Oh boy,
I went to the only be a miss is not kind. Yes,
I'm a terrier. Only any perfume, not the web.
It's why I bet I'm not a question.
Mammy or to Denver or free Denver or no sisters and we sending in Agoni so.
Hey, or so despite to now more muska kuchia judge.
Hey, Oba, dear, oh, you're dangerous. Oh,
there is Royal and according the information in the buy.
Hey, my idea.
Let me just party by no also. I be trying to slow do.
Madam for be said you don't know tie or but you are why. O si woman who boss no hwe tie de why. Tie de why ama papa wo ya bekasa despite in kasa da. Hey, ya boy Juma.
Me try to so do.
Na to park no kwa when did to abusia pani to park no.
I will be any man on YouTube. You TV for to be me.
Break.
Pa ya dear.
Ehia for ye ni kapre. Ni etimi mazikani tu na adwumem. Ka say asem ketwa.
Na say uskani odan tabos nyenyo yonkuni premeni.
Ehia for ye ni kapre. Ni mazikani sori ahomachi. Stations akese radio akese. One blogger back as our TikTok.
I'm not telling you kind of despite support to me.
That's on the kind, no crown the kind you.
I'm telling you that
hey, I'm telling you you need to be more.
Now him the Miss Roberti watching. Papa bi beto soro ho.
Papa bi na ninsa Joss na wa bleaching ho na.
Debi papa bi na friend na napa. E wani ni abasi munyi ni free so me aba no tesa. Obetu as hu ni ade ye nyini. Mimi ye team legal wife pa. Mimi we do ni social media obetu as hu ni ade ye nyini free ho.
Na de ban to.
Ekowiase se ono ne ka na oprega yusu nkumase ono ne hwe na ye no kure odi
wow yeah bibia ye beka bia so okokumase owo hotel bi omo ye meeting
no te ni fie wo kumase yusu girl ne ka sa kumase hotel ne die ni se na ya ampa o
wa hwe
omko shi ajaje ne
ai sana ye no kure Dorinda because research Dorinda who school fu bi okọ wo Zambia me sure school no because ya dia wa ye nyina me de koye me se ma dinu juma o mi bufu ye mi bufu no on school papa mpo
Zambia school na akọ
ai no koye ne masters na me say you fake why you say so mo reply me through WhatsApp me ni o mo chat ya ba me condemn no papa
no am na reply o
school na met me the school no cra address abroad ba ne ma bo no me nim say you be so asi ne su bie mu a
ne hu hia
Dorinda didi me de chom
ta Dorinda Twa me na fofo akata fo ne abofo nyina me kirekire mu se ba me wo yade awaye na san we wa brochira nka ye bre kaye mre ba kokora Ghana
di obreki ye kra ye diabolo
kwani diabolo
justice diabolo se diabolo enye de oyeko fie no sa afre injunction
ni din da bi ono me pa me ku ni din
mami ka sam cho on me fa bre mo no because o bu asam yie
obua ni yie ya
no o ba ni won ai dina wai efrum yie ni wo wai ana se no ka che ni tisa kwai kwankora ne san kwan no ni tisa kwankora ana ko pre no ni ni ko cho se twedodom tiri ka tia ni mo se twedodom odi san kwa
o tinti efru ni wampa
efru ho efru wa me mo le kasa mo nyimi
ni ye wodi ni esese no I asem o mo start investigation ni yema
na nka se ma ka se free wo ho an komanda che se mo yesi ni fie o
o ati bomodia na ye kwa ye no bomodia na ye nhia wo Ghana o me come next month
na bula mun ka se me yes I move na mo pia mo tro say free the fie o yesi ni fie o na sa wa na mo che we ni yesi ro
o tense wa paflu no de kwa Germany obeti wa so sese obeti wa so aka bibi
obi ka pa won tiri free wo yesi ni fie o na sa
me ga ti free wo fie o
na I'm so ka ta o me claim say free afro mo sie no and you see me na me da wan na pop for say o ten am so na mo so ka tro mo say free no ade am mo wo be say free see the one to no no say wa ka tro mo say free ko nda mani me kai up one is say ko tu free ka mo we free say o mo ko fa na fa de kwa na ni o ba yo pa o di I see the phone if go o the free ka Mama Ghana work better. Do I brutal? I don't know.
Hey, na dia picture no obadi abetu we.
Nana no muso mi kan ko se funu se wana se funu se.
Ada mai.
Obara Philipo.
Ko se ya ma, di ya ma mo Ghana wala. On ko tu funu no. Ko se funu ho am ko papa ina se we. Na ge we be fu ana. Obi e se funu wie.
What's me dem funu kwa Germany. Kwa Yemen ye wo Germany.
Say Mary's hospital in the Akoto. I want to check your Bible. Almost check your maka. Check your Bible. Also, one see the fear. Yes, if someone got a commission from the other province, I'm walking according. Come on.
Such a colloquial answer meant tantin and one answer my block your mother.
Check this out.
There be BBC.
Yes,
Ameba BBC wa die iso. Obeka say that the lumba ne Akosua Serwaa ni odogbo ni ntokwa yi mo careful na edi pepe ti bi ewu everyone do obie go beka
osrowo wo se no kre bi ni baby
odi ba wa gisika
I should come then.
Come then.
Ah, Shanice.
Asa kura.
Asa koto afre.
Ah, the chicken if you on a malice in the share ho.
And malice no obetua, say what here. The son of no. Papa.
Mr. Watch a dwarf.
Only no. Tata no didi agrada china. Agrada pamo.
Why you could choose a
it's when I also look like no.
Aye.
Malice, where was Agrada? No.
I got a power. My part. Wait.
I got that one for
I don't want for power.
Hey, agraso bow. Agra ko jela nkobeka ye wo pe.
There be agra untimi na adwene. E wa asem we untimi kire se ko be wo ha na obe wo.
Na bi ono power ye.
Momo love no so what you say na ma fi no mom. Ma fi agrasco.
Wo ba na wa e ye to kwa.
There be asem we de nkodina no tuma TikTok fo nkora no ko mbe ye ne less wo. Say na amafo.
Yeah. Team legal wife, yeah, easy. Yeah, tough. Obia, said, yeah, just something happen.
They want to see doors on near, you know.
I bet you are. Oh, the move, I'm in the gefa. Mammy, I said, I could be my god, I said, I got about, or you be piano on my back wall.
There be a about me, could you move? So the neighbor on in Tokwa Baby.
What's my big say? What
I know no so dobro new. Ono dobro.
Ngege bi on trifu. Kanatina bedini juma natina kaye ho. Free year.
Natina a team legal wife.
Onye team legal wife cry or da sudi free year juma pa.
They say Facebook etwem sado.
TikTok na woso. Ya konka ya team legal wife there. E spirit o. Just ya ye di akire no ye di yakuma ye bibia. Ye fake. Ye koha. Ye di ele musa.
Obo sentokwa
be the Zion tree. You don't need any ticket to get on board.
Ye be konso still ye one.
Ye be konso still ye one. Obo so bi bebo we din. Omo be kwa so bi bebo he. Obi bebo we din. Obi bebo eche se muntimi nkase mo ayaka.
Da bida. So you know you're real, you're fake.
Na aye kwali wo etipile fit na chipe gusi. Ena wono se ni be plan ababodi na wodi ko fata musana.
Wa nyene ho da say be
papa ntuma fibias rade wo fia broche.
No papa na yiba ku bi. Papa chat you san fa fida.
Papa curtains. Ani ni papa fia popo rade.
Itile fie tabo chabo toto. That nyema we show.
You know na what France cry we used to call it. I mean, chese ankro hunu na ye dede show ba chese.
Me to obetu I don't obetu fi the fie se wo ni pafuchi wo bi wo yase.
Me kawunai.
Kwa so obi.
Me kawunai.
Kwa so obi.
Oh, you're useless.
Ye wama uye
si abrochire na wo papa awurade o ma me krante asentin ka wo de nka ba kope untimi awurade
papa no tun so otekom anka seko
na me betwia ma me we ka o Awurade obi owo hanyi obi owo kwanto mu bia team legal wife ni bia no wo behwa amane papa ye say that because anyansa fonko na ye kusa ntokwa we na
wo bi se fi free en onitema asem na no fitwe Akosua Serwaa case we ohun omo di ma Akosua Serwaa echi no omo empathy omo ehumobro ya ka bomu nyina ye empathy ti na yedi ade ne chi ehumobro enti na yedi maame na chi omo di odobro ni echi no omo ni ehumo bro
me maami afa mu bi paint na me di echi
se obi wa hu bi da na se ebi anipa wan kasa wa fa mu pen ana maame ne just me de maame ne hu ye mmobo ye mani bo maame ne so na me hu se
oba na wotwe no na mokra no suro no hwehwehwehwe
o se free play numra wurade
first ni da na me hu na me su sa soe me hu
enu maame ne de ne yo like ni nipadua na odi si free play mu ba eye no enu ne ma omo wotema no start so mu hu maame ne mobo
sa
aha enye bibia eye no eye ehumobro
no mo start so mu didi na tem na fe oba ne oten almost start here Bempomaa ne di kan start here aha na se wa me here wa na watwe no na one ne nwia no mo hwa maame ani bi ne ne maame say what the hell who are you na mami ba yo bana sundwie na odobro ni kogina na nim afa na mami na ye confused o sho odobro ni sa na wa hwa na damfo na nim o sorry din na chi o mami we die o ye humble too much na ne ba no ti na ne mami nche na wotwe na se
Calvin odine se kokro ne mami ti ye den na bonsam timi be wura mu ma
ba se ya stop your mu Asante kunso adi hojuma kama
we di obobo ho ne Serwaa
ya de oba fa kese no na we ya fa ha not ya de dodo na second one yo ba ye de oba na ko ni pardon
ba unu se team legal wives no ye wonkofo bo ho mo yi adwuma pa ba mo kra TikTok akro mu ni ha
dabi
enso mo ye adwuma pa
me nani first time mama froso how and a second time
mo ni TikTok account mpukra but mo ye adwuma pa
love so akun
love oguso love me ko hunu e ma ho ana that's what was sunny dia not so e ma ho
that's all love sometimes I call his royal now I call to be a guy
me pamocho munko ya munko Yesu ba ho obo adwumo
wo Yesu ba wa hu aya na me dem a confuse no because sometimes no man krofo bi no mo be kasa ne niema
dabi se de no normal Yesu ba videos for the past 3 weeks I started say me on a platform yeah normal or yo on a church 17 years na almost say papa na yare no wa church mu show sa papa ne ko boy ye bia ne awo ankwala ne owo ye show sa o boy ye de na chese papa ne yare da dem 17 years Wata teche baba jamaa de no si baba jamaa de se hwan na di kan hwan na ye mama me no court baba jamaa
ya de
responses are ebia o de mo amanu mu nsem o yi hu video de wa chere no ma mo we break it down no ma and I said 17 years mama ne Ghana like mama ni deserted papa ne 17 years no and also so wa be cheche year mama ne ba Ghana year bia na mama ne ba
ni na me just phone wo low battery ni me kwa